on this one?
Well, I'm hoping, I didn't say I have hope, I am hoping that Europe will join the United States. I think there's two things to think about here. The key question now is, will President Putin stop in the Crimea and not extend his military force into eastern Ukraine, where there are significant Russian ethnic populations in the big cities there? And the second question is, will the U.S. and the EU deliver substantial economic support to the new embattled government in Kiev? That's what I think John Kerry is going to do tomorrow. So you've got to do both things at once, support to Kiev and drive up the cost to the Russian government.
Finally, do you think that there's any merit in doing some grandstanding, some public...
A range of options. He's clearly hoping that President Putin is going to consider this very ill-advised and illegal invasion of the Crimea. But if he doesn't reconsider it, and if the Russians stay where they are, I think that there will be consideration in Washington and in Europe for some of those sanctions on individual oligarchs who are very tightly tied to the Russian government. And it's going to be very important, Richard, what we haven't talked about is that NATO reaffirmed its security commitment to its current members, particularly those in Central Europe who used to be victims, part of the Warsaw Pact. I think you'll see the United States...
Do you see that being, obviously not in Ukraine's case, but in the case of those other countries?
Admitted to NATO between 1997 and 2002, it's very important that the U.S. and Western Europe reaffirm our security commitment so President Putin can be under no illusion that that is NATO territory.
Former Secretary of State for Political Affairs, good to have you, Nicholas Burns, on the programme tonight. Thank you, sir, for making such common sense and putting it into perspective for us. Ukraine is not the first former Soviet republic to feel the impact of Russian military force. Turn back the clock, August 2008. I'm not talking about the financial crisis, I'm talking about the Russian tanks rolling across the border into Georgia. Georgia's Prime Minister about Moscow's conduct then, and now the former Prime Minister.
A variety of different reasons. We've got the ice bath across the way there, the veterinary area, so we've got everything really. It's a little bit like a footballer's training ground.
How does cheering home a winner compare to maybe that goal against Argentina?
Well, it's obviously a very different feeling. I mean, the surge of scoring a goal can never be matched. But this is a really exciting feeling. You've just got no control over anything. You're just sitting there hoping. But when one of your horses crosses the line in front, it is a great feeling, great adrenaline. Not quite that of scoring a goal, but it comes back.
William Post, in association with Lodge.